Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss here how to solve non-homogeneous linear equation. Now let me start. First of all, you know that what is a system of non-homogeneous linear equations. So system of non-homogeneous equation, it contains m equation and n variables is there. It contains m equation and n variables is there. Okay. First of all, we see here what is a system of non-homogeneous linear equation. Okay, so I'm considering let a system of m non-homogeneous linear equation, m non-homogeneous linear equations, a system of m non-homogeneous linear equation with n variables is there, guys, with n variables. What I'm saying here, with n unknowns. Okay, so that is, what are the unknowns? That is x1 comma x2 comma x3 and so on. There are n unknowns is there. Okay, or simply it is a set of m equations, in each n unknowns. So therefore a linear system or a linear non-homogeneous system is given as, therefore this system is given as so it contains n unknowns and m equations. So it will be right now this in this way. This is a a11 x1 means the position of matrices in the here given. So a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 and getting plus and so on. There are n unknowns is there. So this is a1n into xn. Okay, and that is equal to, here suppose some constant here b1 is there. Okay, also I have to write here the second equation, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a23 x3 plus and so on. You will getting here a2n xn, and that is equal to, we have to suppose here some b2 is there. Okay, and in this way we have to given here, suppose we have to given m equation. So what is that? am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus am3 x3 plus and so on, plus what is that here? amn xn, that is equal to some constant is here. So m equation, so that's why bm is there. M equation, so that's why here bm. So this is system of m equation. So it contains m equation and n variables. So which are the variables? Where these variables are, means where x1 comma x2 comma x3 and so on xn are called unknowns. Okay, unknowns are called unknowns is there. Okay, and a11 a12 a13 and so on a1n. So these are called as, these are coefficients. Okay, these are the coefficients of x. Okay, these are the coefficient of x, and also I am writing here b1 b2 and so on here bm are called, these are the constants. Okay, so this is a system of linear equation and you have to think about how to solve this here. Okay, so we have to writing this equation in the matrix form. So it will get first element of a matrix sheet position is a11 a12 and its second position means first plus second column. Now in this way, now this is equation. Okay, suppose I am writing here for consideration, this is equal to equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. Okay, means so on. We have to getting here not a 3 equations, so exactly here m equations is there, and so on there m equations. Okay, so this is system of m equations in n unknowns. Okay, this is system of m equation in n unknowns. Okay, understood this? Now let me start how to solve the non-homogeneous linear equation. How to start the non-homogeneous linear equation. Okay, now you have to observe that here this is a system. Okay, this is a system. This is system of non-homogeneous linear equation. Okay, linear equation. Now we have to think about here how to solve this non-homogeneous linear equation. Now let me start. Now method to solve system of non-homogeneous linear equation. So we are to taking some steps is here. So first step, I am writing the step number 1. Step number 1 is there. Okay, what is step number 1? So you have to write given system of linear equation, write in the form of what is the form? That is ax plus b. Write in the form of ax plus b, where a is a coefficient matrix. Now I am writing this is in the form of ax plus b, means what is that here? Ax plus b. Okay, so ax means what is that here? Coefficient matrix. Now I am considering the coefficient matrix as, let's see, this is matrices A. I am writing here. Okay, this will contain a11, a12, and so on a1n. Okay, now second row a21, a22, and so on a2n. Okay, and so on. You have m equation, so that's why am1, that is mth row, that is am2, and so on. We have to getting here amn. Okay, so these are the constants coefficient. Okay, into x is what is that here? X1, x2, and so on. How many equations? So this is xm equations are there. So this is xm is here n unknowns is there. Okay, not m is perfectly, there is n unknowns. So here x is capital X is x1, x2, and so on xn. So there are n unknowns, and this is equal to matrix B is RHS matrix. You have to write the RHS matrix as in this way. You have to write the RHS matrix as, this is B1 second row, B2 third row, means now in this way. This is B1, B2, and so on. This will get here B m is there. Okay, so these are the what the system we can write. The first you have to write the given system, linear equation of system, in the form of ax plus b is there. Okay, now where a is called coefficient matrix. Okay, coefficient, it contain coefficient, that's why it is called as coefficient matrix. Okay, matrix. Also second one is what is that here? Capital X. Now this will be capital X is called unknown matrix. Okay, unknown matrix. This is always order of unknown matrix, order of, this is always n row and 1 column. This is always matrix order of n into 1. Okay, and matrix capital B is called that is a constant matrix. Okay, now in this way, this is what the matrix given system of linear equation in the form of ax plus b. You have to first write, that is step number 1. Now let me start step number 2. Okay, step number 2 is you have to write the matrix as, suppose this is your equation number 1. Okay, we have to take here, we take augmented matrix augmented matrix defined as this is A B, defined as this is combination of matrix A and combination of matrix B, means coefficient matrix and RHS matrix, that is a constant matrix. Let's see. So step number 2, we have to write now in this way. Write the matrix now in this way. Write augmented matrix as this is A as B. This is nothing but this is combination of matrix A and B. This is simply this is A11, A12, A13 and so on, A1n, A21, A22, A23 and so on, A2n, and here it contains m equation. Therefore AM1, AM2, AM3 and here AMN. Okay, so therefore augmented matrix, this is combination of matrix B, this is just a matrix A, this is just a matrix A. Okay, now matrix B is written as this is a B1, B2 and so on. This will be what? BM, because of that M equation is there. Okay, this is a augmented matrix, this is a augmented matrix AB. Now we have to do now step number 3. Okay, what is step number 3? Step number 3 is reduce the matrix in echelon form. After reducing the matrix in echelon form, you have to write rank of matrix, that is step number 4. Write rank of a matrix, rank of a matrix A and rank of a matrix AB, that is the rank of matrix A and rank of augmented matrix AB. Okay, comparing this, compare rank and decide whether rank is the same, whether rank is same or different, rank is the same or different. Okay, if rank is the same, if rank of matrix A and augmented matrix AB are same, then system of non-homogeneous then system of non-homogeneous linear equation has solution, otherwise it has no solution, Okay, that is step number 4. This is step number 4. Now after the comparing the rank, you have to decide the equation is a consistent or not. If consistent, it has a solution, and if it has a solution, you have to take the next step. We have to going here next step, that is step number, what is that? 5. Okay, after comparing this rank, find the value of unknowns, and this is a solution of given non-homogeneous linear equations. Okay, and number 6, this is the last step. You have to write the value of the value of unknowns, okay, as x1 comma x2 comma and so on xn. Now this is actual methods for solving the non-homogeneous linear equation. Means this is a method to solve non-homogeneous linear equation. We have to refer here step number first, given equation written in the form of ax plus b. Now what is a? A is called as coefficient matrix, x is called as unknown matrix of order n into 1, and matrix b is called constant matrix of order here also n into 1. After that, step number second, we take augmented matrix defined as combination of a and b, and now this is given as a11, a12, a13 and so on, a1n, and also m equation. That's why the last row of this matrix has am1, am2, am3 and so on, amn, and combination of matrix b as a b1, b2, b3, bm. Okay, now this augmented matrix reduced to echelon form, and after taking echelon form you have to write, or you have to decide what is the rank of both matrix, and compare the rank and decide whether rank is the same or different. If rank of matrix are same, then the system of homogeneous linear equation has a solution, otherwise it has a no solution. If rank is the same, find the values of unknown and solution of non-homogeneous linear equation, as we have to write the value finally as x1 comma x2 comma and so on xn. Okay, this is all about how to solve linear equation. I hope all of you getting this point and enjoying this point. Thank you.